Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be introducing you to Ethereum. Since we'll be deploying our smart contracts on the Ethereum virtual machine, so it makes sense to discuss Ethereum. So Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, currently uses a proof of work consensus mechanism. This means that anyone who wants to add a new block to the chain must solve a difficult puzzle that needs a lot of computing power to solve. Solving this puzzle proves that you have spent the computational resources. Doing this is known as mining. So you must have heard the term mining before. So mining is simply the process of creating a new block of transaction to be added to the Ethereum blockchain. Remember, only successful data is added as a block on the blockchain. Right? So the process of mining helps keep the Ethereum network running, because the network is decentralized and the process of mining is a way where participants of the network try to keep the network operating. And as a result of this, they are being compensated by paying gas fee that is spent on every transaction on the Ethereum network. So like I said earlier, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, currently uses a proof of work consensus mechanism. Mining is the lifeblood of proof of work. Ethereum miners, computer running software, right? So miners are basically running CPU, GPU, and now recently ASCII devices, using their time and computational power to process transactions and produce blocks. In decentralized system like Ethereum, we need to ensure that everyone agrees on the order of transaction. Miners help this happen by solving computational difficult puzzle in order to produce blocks, which serves as a way to secure the network from attacks. Remember in the previous lecture, I talked about malicious user trying to go against all the participants on the network as practically impossible, right? Even if a malicious user is ready to spend a whole lot of computational power to go against all the participants of the network, the malicious user could simply instead channel all that computational power into keeping the network alive, keeping the network running, and this user will be compensated. So there's really no reason why a malicious user will want to go that route, which is practically impossible by the way. So proof of work is the underlying algorithm that sets difficulty and rules for the work miners do. And over time, this consensus mechanism, proof of work, it gets harder over time. So more computational resource is being sent, and the algorithm to be solved gets harder over time. It gets harder and harder over time. So mining is the work itself. The more work done, the longer the chain, and the higher the block number, the more certain the network can be of the current state of things. So I want you to keep this at the back of your mind. Miners are equals nodes. See you in the next lecture.